these are the only skincare products you need in your skincare routine. I don't know who needs to hear this, but you don't need to have 10 steps skincare routine. I'm going to show you in today's video how to achieve a glowy skin, how to have a skincare stash, how to have a skincare routine with just 3 products. You heard me. With just 3 products, you can achieve a glowy skin. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this pretty face, my name is Muna. On this channel, I cover skincare reviews. I also talk about beauty. I also talk a bit about my lifestyle. If you know you're in for all that jazz, ensure to hit the subscribe button. If you're going to invest in any skincare product to start off with, you would need a very good cleanser. The first thing you want to do as a beginner, starting off your skincare journey, the first thing you want to get is a good cleanser. Now I'm holding here 2 very good cleanser that I currently use. We have the simple cleanser here, face wash here, and then we also have the face fact ceramide face wash. Now this one contains 2% salicylic acid, which is a bit of an active ingredient. Salicylic acid is an active ingredient. 2% of salicylic acid and niacinamide. This contains a bit of active ingredients, while this is a gentle cleanser. To start off your skincare journey, you need one of these. I would advise you start off with a gentle cleanser, but if you know you go through or you have acne or you're having breakouts, then start off with this one. Let's say you have the budget for both of them. I would advise you use this every other day and use this every other day. So let me give you an instance. You use this on Monday, use this on Tuesday, use this on Wednesday, use this on Thursday, use this on just like that. To have an active cleanser, ensure you don't use it every single day. Now, what this will help you do is take out dirt from your skin. If you have 100 skincare products, if you have the most expensive skincare product, and you don't have a very good cleanser, you're wasting your time. Let me tell you why you need to really have a very good cleanser. If you invest so much in having a good toner, if you invest so much in having a good serum, guess what? You won't see any results because your skin needs to be clean enough. The surface of your skin needs to be so clean enough for those products to penetrate in. And for your skin to be very clean, you need a very good cleanser. Advice is invest in a very good cleanser to start off your skincare. The most important thing you need to figure out is what are your skin concerns. And that brings me to the next step, which is having a serum. These serums I'm holding here are for different purposes. This one tackles discoloration. This one tackles dehydration. This one tackles hyperpigmentation. So figure out what exactly you're going through. If you want to add niacinamide to your routine, you know you're having breakouts. If you want to add hyaluronic acid to your routine, you should know that you want hydration. If you want to add vitamin C to your routine, you should know you're looking at brightening your skin or evening out your skin tone. Having breakouts, and you should invest more in getting a very good serum that contains at least 10% niacinamide. If you know that your skin is dry, chappy, you want your skin to glow, you want your skin to look poppy, you want your skin to feel hydrated, invest in a very good serum that contains hyaluronic acid or glycerin. There are other types of hydrating ingredients out there, but I currently use hyaluronic acid and I also use glycerin as my hydrator. So you can pick any of this and get it, and that builds up or that makes up your second skincare product. That skincare or the third skincare product that you should invest in is a very good sunscreen. You can't go anywhere without a sunscreen. Your skincare journey is going to be stagnant if you don't infuse a sunscreen. And the good thing about sunscreen is you might not see the benefit now, but your future self will thank you. This would prevent you from sunburn. Sunburn is a major reason why you look older than your age. Sunburn is a major reason why you're having fine lines at a very young age. If you're at the age where you should have fine lines, sunburn makes it faster. For you to slow down the sign of aging, it's always good for you to infuse a very good sunscreen. These 2 sunscreen are for 2 different purposes. This one works for your face and your body. This is the Hatomugi sunscreen. I've done a review of most of these products. I'm going to insert the review down in the description box. And this is Cosmos sunscreen. This can be for your body. If you know you have active ingredients going on your body, let's say you use a cleanser, a body wash that contains active, then it means that you need to have a sunscreen for your body. So this sums up the 3 major ingredients or the 3 major products you need in your skincare journey.